Greetings, and welcome to the Student Success Tutorial Series. Today we will access Bookflix using your Student One Card account. If your school isn't participating in the Student One Card program yet, you can access these resources with a regular library card and PIN. Student Success. Accessing Bookflix with your Student One Card. Get free access to library resources with your Student One Card. Have your Student One Card ready. You will need to know your school district prefix and school-issued student ID number. Account number examples, SRCS 123456 or RVUSD 123456. PIN example, year of birth, 2006 or 2012. Call any Sonoma County Library location for help finding your Student One Card number. Please refer to https://sonomalibrary.org/student-one-card for more information regarding your Student One Card. If you don't have a Student One Card, you'll need a Sonoma County Library account. If you don't already have one, sign up for an e-card at sonomalibrary.org. First, fill out this form. Be sure to note your account number and 4-digit PIN. Then, when you're done, access Bookflix 24 hours a day using the Online Resources tab. Visit sonomalibrary.org, your 24-hour-a-day Sonoma County Library branch. Click on A to Z List of e-resources. Scroll down. Bookflix is listed alphabetically. Click on Bookflix. You will be prompted to enter your library card number, Student One Card number, or e-card number. Click on Start to begin. You're now ready to enjoy Bookflix. Follow us for more helpful videos or get help from a librarian at sonomalibrary.org. Thank you for watching.